Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Couchsurfer. Today we are cooking Indian food. And we have here...
Hi, my name is Rajendra. I'm from Bangalore, India.
Hi, I'm Aakanksha. I'm from Gurgaon, India.
Hello everyone, I'm Arpan and I'm from Ghaziabad, India.
Alright, so what are we cooking today?
Today we are cooking kidney beans which will be fried in tomato puree. As you can see, I'm mashing tomatoes. And this will be cooked with some Indian masalas, with cumin and some oil. And well, it's just two masalas that will make the taste.
Hello everyone!
Kidney beans, these are already boiled.
Yeah.
And then we'll fry them with this puree that we have prepared.
Alright.
Yep.
Brought with you here clarified butter.
Yeah, it's basically a substitute for a homemade oil that's known as ghee. And the taste is very similar, so we decided to have something like this.
You have been traveling around in Scandinavia or?
Yeah, since 3 days now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a long weekend for us. We are doing internship in Hamburg and Munich.
Yeah.
I'm in Hamburg, he's in Munich.
I'm in Munich.
Okay.
So we got a long weekend and we decided to travel this way.
And you do MBA there or?
Yeah.
That's what you
right
need
now
to
we
do
are
to
putting
cook
cumin.
Colombian food is to bring spices. So that's for your next video.
So here joining us is
Luisa,
from
Colombia.
and my friend Henrik from Norway.
Jeera dekho. So these are the mashed tomatoes, and we'll wait for them to get ready for the kidney beans to put in.
So you boil it up or
Yeah. We'll dry all the water in this.
you reduce it also?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So it provides.
Indians, right?
No, you don't move your head. You don't move your body. You just move your head.
Yeah,
Just the
I
head.
always go like.
All right.
Awesome.
And other people have it as well. And yeah, you put the beans in the sauce.
Like salad, so it's pepper, lemon, and some salt.
Time to taste. It looks delicious. It smells delicious. But does it taste delicious? Love the taste. Love it. What do you think?
Awesome, delicious.
Luisa?
I haven't tried it yet, but
Oh. And you say you have something similar in Colombia.
yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Elaborate.
Is it with cocaine or without?
He's just joking.
Henrik?
It's very good. Very good. Because this is vegan, vegetarian. Yeah.
We all three are vegetarians.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you know how many percentage of Indians are vegetarian?
There's like not particular statistics, but they say around 40 to 70% are vegetarians.
40 to 70%.
There's a lot of
That's,
gray area.
that's a big spread.
40,
Must be 40.
Around 40%.
40% are vegetarian.
But that's a lot. There must be
Yeah.
like the highest percentage.
In the world.
In the
yeah.
world.
In the
Yeah.
world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Indian
Wow.
food has one of the best vegetarian foods there is.
Yeah,
Though.
exactly.
When it comes to
What other option do we have?
yeah,
Make the food we have very tasty.
Cali.